Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is Technical Knowledge. This is Swapnil and today I will show you how you can create components in Power App. I have created one of the component, that is header component, which is which is kind of a very simple and easy to create. And what is component? If you are not aware about the component is kind of a thing which can be reusable. let's say let's consider you have application with a 5 to 6 different screens, and in every screen you want to if you are adding if you want to add any header, specific header in that. So instead of adding manually in each and every screen, creating from scratch, you can use a component is nothing but you need to create a once, and then you can plug and play to each and every screen. Let's say this is one of the easiest header I have created. Okay, so if I want to plug this to my employee details, right? So you just need to add that header name. So my header name is kind of headery only. Okay, and just I have added. Okay, now if you observe in at the bottom I have added some consider this as a subheader. So I need something here. Okay, instead of text, so I have added custom properties over here. So I will create a new request, so it can be customizable. So once you add that, now it's saying employee details, and add subheader as a new request. Okay, and go to new entry and click on back. It will navigate to the main screen. So this is how you can create the component. Let's see how we can create this from the scratch. So I will show you step by step. So this is the component, and I will show you step by step how you can easily create this. Okay, so this is my header component. Okay, so I will delete this. Okay, I will again go to component. Now to add a new component, click on here, new component, make this as a header underscore component. Yeah, now because we are creating a canvas application, right? So its screen size is depend upon your applications. So currently my screen size is kind of I think 700 something. Its width size is 1 3 right? So I need, because it depends on different applications. So let's consider if you are using this component on another application, then width will be different. So right, so it should be customizable. It should be kind of automatically adjusted according to the application's application's width. So for that, you need to do is go to this property section and select the width, and instead of 640, just add app dot active screens means the Power App screen dot width. So it will be adjusted accordingly, right? Again go to screen and go back to component, right? So width will be adjusted. For height you can add manually, right? So I will consider this as a 70, okay, or 80. Consider it as 80. Not what I will do is, first step is I will add one label over here, make it as a bold. We'll make it as a bold. This alignment should be center. I'll provide some height over here. Okay, now it should be, because my application is recording employees, so I have added employee detail, and this will be a static one. Okay, I will add one more label so that whenever user name purpose, so let's consider if A is the user and he just log into this application, then his name should appear over here. For that, there is one say simple code. Hey, I will add space and I will add percent, and there is a function called user. So if we do that, you can add email, his email, full name, email also, or object ID. So we'll use full name. Okay, so my name is appearing over here. Again, what I need is, and again I need a back button. So let's, because if you are navigating to some other screen and if you want to go back to the previous screen, then this will help you. Back arrow. Okay, again it depends on how you customize it, right? Okay, perfect. Now I will add one more button. Sorry, instead of that I can use a rectangle also, or I will use one more rectangle. Okay, it's kind of, I'm replicating the previous one. Okay, so this one should be white. This one I have already existing color in my notepad, which is kind of green something. So I'll do is I'll make this field as okay, perfect. Again I will add one icon called home over here, so it will look decent. And I will again add one button because I have added button in that previous demo. Okay, consider this. Its font size should be consider 13, semi bold. Now let's consider if you are on a screen B and that screen has a different name, then that name should appear over here, right? So it should not be static, it should be changed automatically, or sorry, automatically, or you can add manually in that. So for that purpose we are adding this button. So to make it as active, so just click outside, add one custom property called sub header. Okay, description, this customer don't need, and data type should be text because we're adding a text over here, and its property should be input because we're adding input, it means adding text in that, so that's why it's input. So just click on create, and to make it as a live or make it as a working, go to text property, so text property, you need to apply first what is your header component name. So my header is header component dot subheader. Subheader is the custom component that I have created, right? Now it will work. Now if I go to my screens, what I have to do is just add this section, add this header name, header underscore component. Okay, so it will work. Now again, if we go home and if I search over insert header component, okay, it is added. So okay, so this is one time activity only. Now if you want to add on a second screen, it just do the same steps, insert and add that header component, it will add it, and you don't need to adjust accordingly. And let's say in future also, if you want to make changes in that, let's consider I want this hey Swapnil Kute is in bold or on different colors. So yeah, just make this as let's consider red or something. Okay, for time being. Oh, it's not appealing. Okay, we'll do, let's say, bluish kind of thing. Okay, and if you go, it has reflected already, right? Now for the text, just select this component and add here as a home screen. Okay, so now it has changed. Now let's consider I have one more screen called employee details. Here I will add some this is kind of a form. Okay, I need a component. So again I will go here, insert and add this header component. So now it's added. Okay, and its color also changed because we have changed initially, right? And under a text I need as a new entry. Okay, did you see? So now new entry is added, means the sub, consider this as a subheader and this has been changed. So now you can make it magical. Now let's say let's see if this function is work or not. Okay, currently it's not working, so for that you need to go to your component section. I have not added on select property, so this should be back. Okay, now it will reflect, or now back should work, back function should work. Well, let's consider if I play this, if I go to new entry and if I click on back, it will work. Now we don't have any back screen on the home before the home screen, so that's why it's not appearing. But yeah, if we click on a new entry and if we go to black, if we go to back, if we click on a new entry and go to back, it will work, right? So again, let's say in my record I want to add the same header. So again, go to this, what is our component name? This is one, and under the text I will make this as all records or something, all, right? That's easy. Okay, new entry, back, my record, back. Okay, this is how you can create one of the simplest header in your Power App gallery. Now it's depend on you how you can implement it, but this is one of the simplest way so that you can create a header for your Power App screen, so which is reusable, and it hardly take 5 or 10 minutes, right? So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel called Technical Knowledge Beta. Thank you.